Hello, I decided to refilm this video. I just wasn't happy with the last one. So, starting off immediately, we're going to do baking soda. I'm going to sprinkle it on top of my flour that I already have measured out. Just need a little bit. And then next, what I'm going to do is sea salt. I'm going to sprinkle that on top of the mixture as well. And then next, what I'm going to do is just whisk everything together to get it blended up and kind of break apart my flour. So now I'm going to mix together my butter. I'm also going to mix together my shortening. And one thing that I like to do is just kind of guess. And then I'll cut up my butter into smaller cubes. And I'll fit it into my measuring cup. And I guess that's 1/4 cup. Come on, get out. Really, I should have let it set at room temperature, but I didn't. Here's my shortening. I'm going to just measure it in the same cup that I did the butter. It's pretty soft right now, so I think my cookies are going to turn out a little bit soft also. But that's okay. They'll still be good. Add this to my mixer. Add on my paddle attachment and blend it all together. And really, I'm looking for something nice and creamy. It's starting to look pretty good. Once this is all mixed together, I'm going to want to add in my brown sugar and my vanilla. So this is looking nice and glossy and creamy. I'm going to add in that brown sugar and vanilla. I know a lot of people like to pack in their brown sugar, but I don't really do that. Next, I'm going to measure out my vanilla. Just throw that in there too. Ready to blend it. Not blend, I mean mix. It's looking good. I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. I always think that scraping everything down really helps incorporate all of your ingredients a lot better. So you'll see me do that several times. It's just about egg time, and we just need 2 eggs. We'll just do 1 egg at a time. Mix that up. Scrape down the sides of my bowl just one more time, right before I add in my other egg. And mix that one up together. It's starting to look nice and incorporated now. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my flour mixture. I just do a little bit at a time, just not all of it all at once. Those are my nice, delicious, tasty chocolate chips. I like Guittard. I think they're pretty good. Okay, gonna add in some more flour here. And I'm gonna measure out my chocolate chips while I'm waiting on that. Scrape down my bowl one more time and get it really good this time. Add in the last bit of my flour and get that mixed pretty well. Get this out of the way. And final step is just mix it together just a little bit more, toss in the chocolate chips. You don't want to do it too high because you don't want to break your chocolate chips. So just go nice and slow. And this takes no time at all. I'm just going to go ahead and get my pan ready. Scrape all of this. I like a good classic chocolate chip cookie. These ones are nice and fluffy. Though my dough is a little bit soft, I think they'll still turn out okay. But I kind of want to try sometimes adding salt, like a salted chocolate chip cookie. I wonder if that would be good. Alright, I use silicone mats. I like them, so I'm going to use them. And I also like to use a scoop to scoop out my cookies. And I'm probably going to struggle here because the dough is pretty gooey and soft. I'm trying my best to make them nice and neat. What's your favorite type of cookie? Let me know. I like also lemon cookies with a lemon glaze on top. I think that's really good. And like linzer cookies, you know, like the shortbread with the jelly in them. I think those are also really good too. But I want to try making different types of cookies. If you know a recipe and you want me to try it, link it to me and I'll try to make it. And I'll try to make it gluten-free too. So cookies are ready. I'm going to throw them in the oven real quick, about 10 minutes. Oh, they're done. Some people let them rest. I don't really let them rest on the pan. I let them rest on a cooling rack. And there we go. Let's see here. Let's check out the middle of this one. It's looking good. Nice and fluffy. Chocolate chip cookies.